At Oklahoma Baptist University, we prepare the kinds of nurses the world needs: skilled, compassionate, and guided by faith. This is the Mid-Level Skills Lab where nursing students begin their journey. Here they learn essential patient care skills such as giving medications and patient mobility.
I remember starting with the basics, like learning to turn a patient or take vitals. These hands-on experiences in these early stages really built my confidence. What's great is how collaborative it is. We work in teams, we learn together, and we encourage each other.
In the simulation lab, we used advanced technology mannequins such as Apollo to simulate patient care scenarios. Students are able to monitor vital signs, listen to heart sounds, and use computer charting.
Each mannequin responds just like a real patient. From pediatric cases to maternity scenarios, every situation feels real.
The simulation isn't just about procedures, it's about empathy. We practice comforting our patients as we step into the shoes of their family members.
At OBU, education is more than coursework. It's a path to your calling. We integrate faith with education to build compassionate, confident nurses.
When I leave here, I'll have more than just a degree. I'll have lifelong friendships and a foundation of faith that guides my career.
Come discover your calling at OBU.